Okay, to get this is for question 15 on the practice problems 2, right, network and socket programming. Okay, first of all, this solution, there's some tricks in it I left out, but we'll fix those. We'll talk about those now. Um, you want to open up, if you haven't got uh, Python installed on your VM desktop, you can go to python.org and look for a Windows version. Use version 2, version 2. I'm using version 2.718. So you can download that version from python.org. Okay, and once you download it, you can type Python to open it up. So you can open up the GUI, this guy. I have 2 shells here, so I'll close this one. I already have one open. So here's the same shell right there. And here's where you're going to do a file open or a file new. Create a new file. I've already created them. Here's one of them where I've cut and paste from this example. I've taken the server here, this guy, all this information all the way here to where it says close, and I've cut and pasted into the server. And then I've gone and I've cut and pasted the client. So here's the client starting right here, client socket. I've cut and pasted all of this all the way to here where it says close. I've cut and pasted that into the client socket, which will be here. There's the client socket. Okay, and there's some tricks there. Since this is version 2, instead of using input, you use raw input for Python 2, version 2. Python 3, you use input. So I changed those. Okay, so now I can open 2 terminals. I've installed them both on the same VM to test. I can open 2 terminals. I can type CMD, and I can right-click CMD in my VM, run as administrator. Okay, I'll do another one. CMD, run as administrator. Okay, oh no, administrator is not going to work because I put everything on the desktop. So let's do it another way. Let's do it the regular way. Let's just hit command prompt, and then we're going to open another one, command prompt. We have 2 of them because I saved those files, those 2 files here, my underscore serve.py and my client underscore .py on the desktop, and they're right here. So we'll use this so we can access the desktop. So we'll open up both of these, and now I can CD to the desktop. And then I can see the desktop. And I can type Python, and Python should open. That means it's there. Python. It should open, so I know everything's working. Now I'm going to exit out. Exit with 2 not parentheses. Yeah, parentheses. So you can type exit with a open and close parentheses. Okay, so now I can type. If you type Python and nothing happens, that means you have to go in and you got to set your path variable. So let me show you that. So type var, click edit system variables, environmental variables, and you'll find path down here. Path, click edit, and then you add the path where Python's located. In my case, it's C:\/ Python 27. You add it there, then say okay, okay, and then it'll work. When you type Python, it'll work. So here now I'm going to type Python, my underscore SVR dot py, and I'm going to run it. And on this one, I'm going to type Python my underscore CLI dot py, and I'm going to run it. Okay, and I've connected from my Pi. Let's look at the code again. I set the host as 127.0.0.1, but you don't necessarily have to do that. You can Control C to quit. So we can do this. We can comment this out, and we can let the system get the right here. We're going to say host underscore name, and save it. Save the file. We can do the same thing on the server file. Right here, I use localhost. I can comment that out, and I can go down here and I can change this to host underscore name and let the function get the name and save it. And I can go and I can run the server again, and I can run the client again. And it's connected, so now I can say hi, and it'll say it's received hi, and I can say hello, and it's received hello. How are you? And I'm well, and you. So you got a little chat server working, and to exit the chat, you can type exit. So that's how it works. All right. So that was question 15 on the practice exam.